So for today's lesson, I will be giving you examples on how to convert to base 10, but also how to convert from base 10. So first we're going to start off with how to convert to base 10. So this will be the example we will be using today. 101 with the base of 5. So first you want to start off by writing what you are given. Then since our base is 5, under the numbers we are going to do 5 to the power of 0, 5 to the power of 1, 5 to the power of 2, kind of working our way up. So we're going to bring that down and we're going to have 1 times 5 to the power of 2 plus 0 times 5 to the power of 1 plus 1 times 5 to the power of 0. So 1 times 5 to the power of 2, we have 25, plus, and then 0 times 5 to the power of 1, we just have 0, plus, and then 1 times 5 to the power of 0, 5 times the power of 0 is just 1, so we have 1 times 1, which gives us 1. So we are left with 20. So we are left with 26 to the base of 10. So for another example, we have 44 with the base of 6. So again, we want to write out the number that we were given. So since we have the base of 6, we're going to do 6 to the power of 0 and 6 to the power of 1. So then we're going to multiply 4 times 6 to the power of 1 plus 4 times 6 to the power of 0. So 4 times 6 to the power of 1 is just 4 times 6, which equals 24, plus 4 times 6 to the power of 0, which equals, and 6 to the power of 0 is just 1, so 4 times 1 equals 4. So we are left with 28 with the base of 10. Another example we can do is so with this example, we want to write out the number that we are given. And then since we have the base of 6, we're going to do 6 to the power of 0, 6 to the power of 1, 6 to the power of 2, 6 to the power of 3, just working our way up. So we have 1 times 6 to the power of 3 plus 0 times 6 to the power of 2 plus 1 times 6 to the power of 1 plus 1 times 6 to the power of 0. 6 to the power of 3 is 216 plus 0 times 6 to the power of 2, which is just 0, plus 1 times 6 to the power of 1, which is 6, plus 1 times 6 to the power of 0, which just equals 1, so 1 times 1 equals 1. Adding that all up, you get 223 with the base of 10. So that is how you convert to base 10. Now we are going to learn how to convert from base 10. So here's our first example on how to convert from base 10. So the way that I find easiest is to do the division method. So we're going to do 55 divided by 5. So how many times can 5 go into 5? Once. 5, 0. Bring down the 5. And then how many times can 5 go into 5? Once. So 5 times 1 equals 5. And we are left with 0. So our first one will be 0, which is 5 to the power of 0. Now we're going to take that 11 and we're going to divide that by 5. And that 5 can go into 11 twice, so 5 times 2 is 10, minus that equals 1. So we're going to take that remainder, and that's going to be our next one. So 5 to the power of 1. And then we're also going to take that 2, and that will become our next place value, 5 to the power of 3. So this right here would be our answer, 210. So as another example, we have 66 base 10 to base 6. So again, using the division method, we are going to do 66 divided by 6. 6 one time, 6 times 1 equals 6. We're left with 0. Bring down that 6. 6 can go into 6 one time. 6 times 1 equals 6. Subtract that. You're left with 0. So again, our first place value will be 0. So 6 to the power of 0. Then we're going to take that 11, divide that by 6. That can go into that only once. So 6. 11 minus 6 equals 5. So our next place value would be 5. 6 to the power of 1. And then again, we're going to bring that 1 down. And so our answer would be 150. Oh, 6 to the power of 2. So our answer would be 150. And that is how you convert to base 10 and how to convert from base 10.